everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to open up the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box Treasure Edition. First of all, our encouraging word for today is fall 7 times and stand up 8. That's a Japanese proverb. Wise words there. So, Potomac Beads Treasure Box. This is a wonderful box. I'm excited to open this today. It is a monthly subscription service. They have 2 different boxes. There's the treasure box and the kit box. This is the treasure edition, and it says, "Love is in the air with this February treasure box. Mix warm reds, pinks, purples, and garnets to create handmade jewelry pieces everyone will lust over." So this is everything that's in this. It's a huge box. Look at this. It has a lot of stash builder and just some other wonderful stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look. I will have a link in the description box below if you want to subscribe to this Potomac Beads Treasure Edition box. And they also have, when you subscribe, you get a chance to win. They have 5 golden tickets each month. So there's golden tickets for this box, there's 5, and there's golden tickets for the kit box. There's 5 of those as well. So if you sign up for both, you have 10 chances to win. If you sign up for one, you have 5 chances to win, but you get some free stuff if you have a golden ticket. So yeah, really, really fun. So let's get into this. So the first thing that we have are some metal spacer beads, 3 by 2 millimeters. Let me just open these baggies. I'm sorry, I should have done this already. I want to make sure that I show you the right thing. Hold on just a minute. Okay, and I was in the wrong little baggie, so I'm glad I checked. So these are the little metal spacer beads. These are just little silver metal rounds. They're very nice. These are stainless steel, premium 99.9% pure silver plated, 3 by 2 millimeters, and you get a pack of 50. So very, very nice little metal spacers. And then we have plated eye pins. So these are eye pins, 2-inch, and again, 21 gauge, and it is the premium 99.9% silver plated, 51 millimeters. That's nice. These are big, long eye pins. This is a pack of 36. So those are always nice to get. I like, you know, this is very high quality eye pins, so really nice to get those. And then we have my Yuki seed beads in an 8-0. These are beautiful. They don't have the colors listed on here. That is one thing that makes it a little bit difficult. I think there's no color listed on this one. But these are my Yuki seed beads in an 8-0. Those are pretty. Like a rainbow luster finish on those or something. Really pretty. And then we have my Yuki seed beads in an 11-0, and these have the color on them, galvanized gold. So there they are. They don't look a bit gold to me. They look purple, unless I'm in the wrong thing, but I don't think I am. So galvanized gold, that's interesting. Okay, but they're pretty. Really pretty, just not at all gold. Okay. Oh, okay, and then we have plated daisy spacers. Okay, so apparently I'm going over to this bag now. Plated daisy spacers, that's these. These are always nice to get, little daisy spacers. They just are so versatile. I use these all the time in pretty much everything, so plated daisy spacers. And then we have Czech glass faceted rounds in a 6 millimeter. These are pretty. Look at that. Look at the finish on those. Beautiful little faceted rounds. And again, I would like to know what they're called, the color, but it just says faceted rounds. So very pretty. And then we have Czech glass faceted rounds in a 3 millimeter. That's these. Oh, come on, camera. It's your one job in life to focus for me. There we go. Come on. Pretty. Beautiful little beads. These are a really, really deep red. I hope they're showing up red on there, like a burgundy. They almost look black on the camera the way I'm looking, but they are definitely not black. They're a really deep burgundy. Really pretty. Okay. And then we have Dichro beads. which I'm looking for. Hold on just a second. Huh. Dichro beads. Sorry guys, some of these things aren't labeled and it makes it kind of hard to figure out what I'm doing. Okay, we'll come back to the Dichro beads because I don't know exactly what those are. Then we have Potomac pearls in a 4mm. That's these. I love their pearls, and the pearls in the last bag or box were so pretty too, and these are just as well. They're gorgeous. These are called Fandango. So 4mm. Beautiful, beautiful colors on these pearls. Love those. Those are gorgeous. This palette's really pretty. I'm going to put it all together here in a minute and let you see it. And then we have matte mermaid glass rounds in a 6mm. That's these. These are lavender matte. Those are pretty. These are those ones that they are 2 pieces of a bead, 2 pieces of glass, electroplated or AB coated in the middle, and then they put them together and it makes this, it almost looks like there's lights inside of them. They're so cool. So that's these. Really pretty. All right, and then we have pewter button. That would be this. This is a pewter metal button, double angel silver. That's really pretty. Look how beautiful that is. Really, really pretty. I like that filigree kind of look, and it's got the shank on it, which makes it nice. Okay, and then we have a lucite flower mix, which I'm pretty sure is this. Those are pretty. Lots of different colors in there, little lucite flowers. Wow, there are a lot of different colors in there. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 just off the top of the package here. 8, 9. Wow, maybe more than that. That's really nice. Okay, and then we have Czech glass assortment, which would be this one. So we've got some really pretty Czech glass beads in here. Let me go ahead and open it. These kinds of bags aren't the kind that you can reseal, so let me grab a little tray. I get these trays at the Dollar Tree. Everybody always asks me where they come from. They come from the Dollar Tree. They're in the catering section. And you get like 8 or 10 or so in a package. I'm not sure how many. These are really pretty. I like these little cathedral beads right here. Little cathedral. Whoops. Those are really cool. We have some little hearts, drops. Really pretty little mix there. So we got a Czech glass mix. Then we have Potomac crystal bicones in 4mm, and that's these. These are tanzanite. Really pretty. I like the colors. They've done, you know, the pinks, purples, and reds. So very traditional Valentine's Day colors. Looks like we've got some blue in here too. Okay, and then we have Czech glass hearts, which would be these. These are pretty. Little blue. Look at this one with they're really pretty. Lots of little Czech glass hearts. I like those a lot. Those are cute. Then we have Potomac crystal rounds in a 3mm. That's these. These are Rose AB. Potomac crystal rounds. Ooh, those are sparkly. Look at that. Look how pretty and sparkly and beautiful. Gorgeous little beads. So those are Potomac crystal rounds. 4mm, I think. Or did they say 3? 3mm, sorry. And they are Rose AB. Really pretty. Then we have some gemstone nuggets, which would be these. These look like coral, maybe, or bamboo coral, possibly. So a couple little nuggets there. Those are cool. We have some pewter flower beads right here. Cute little things. They look like they're about 6 millimeter, tiny little guys. Cute. Pewter flower beads. Oops. Waxed linen cord. This is nice. I like this stuff in a black. I'm not going to take it out right now, but it's just a wax linen cord. Okay, so this is what's left over. So this has to be the Dichro bead. And what confused me is it says Dichro beads, plural. There's only one in here, so I was like, this can't be it, but apparently it is. So it's very pretty. Look at this. Is that Dichro glass? I mean, it's really pretty, but I thought Dichro glass was like, I don't know. I thought it was something different. That's really pretty, though. I like it. It's a pretty little thing. So we got our Dichro bead and then a red Potomac pin. So we got a red pin. That's nice. All right, guys. So this is the Potomac Beads Treasure Box. Potomac Beads Best Box Treasure Edition. I really, really, really like these three here together. I think they are so pretty together. Even to put in these right here, I think makes a beautiful mix. This goes really well. And some of these. And a couple of the flowers. And then I would probably separate out and do the blues together and possibly the purple with them. Not sure on that yet. But we'll see how it all comes together. But very nice little box here. Lots of stuff. Interesting stuff too. And so check them out. Like I said, I will have a link in the description box below this video. And thanks for watching, guys. So this is the Potomac Beads Treasure subscription for February 2023. So check them out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.